All right, hey guys, it's day 2 of distance learning. You're getting this if you're in 4, 5, and 6 on Friday, December 4th, or Monday, December 7th for the second day. So we're still working through that packet, but I just want to make sure that we're all doing all right. Okay. So just like last time, if you need the schedule again, here it is. We're going to be working through this schedule right here for both Friday and Monday. Some updates. Okay, so today, again, you're no longer checking in with social studies if you're not having that class that day. So if this is Friday that you're watching this, you don't need to check in if you are a 1, 2, 3 student. You'll do that on Monday. Something that's going to change. You will no longer get a daily check-in on Teams for my class. Just seems like extra work for you guys. That's kind of a waste of time. So instead, the exit ticket is going to be used as your daily check-in. You have to do the exit ticket to be marked present in my class. It didn't make sense to do both of these. We might as well just do one, count it for a grade and for the attendance. So make sure you're doing that exit ticket. Remember, it's just the keyword that we're going to talk about here in a moment that you type into the Microsoft form and type it in. You'll get credit. If you misspell it, don't worry. As long as it's close, you'll be good to go. All right. Nothing else really changed. We're still doing the daily YouTube videos just like this one. Another update, your essays should be done and graded at this point through Teams. Hopefully they're in Infinite Campus as well. But I do want you to understand that if you're going to redo it or you're going to finish it because it wasn't finished, you have until December 11th to get that done. If it's in after December 11th, you will not have it graded or regraded if you're redoing it. So make sure it gets in on December 11th, and all of your missing work needs to be in by December 11th. All right, we got to change it up. Can't always be at the end. So today's keyword is desk. Make sure you type that into the exit ticket online. Also, keep watching the video. Make sure you know what we're doing today and what's expected of you. It's not very much longer, all right? All right, class instructions for the day. Again, that should say Friday. The 4th is 4, 5, 6. Thursday, the 7th, Monday, the 7th is 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. We're going to be annotating the reading that came with that packet, and it looks like this. This is the unedited version. So make sure that you are reading all of the sections, ending with the Battle of New Orleans down here. Don't worry about the cause and effect yet. We'll do that together. But what you're going to be doing is annotating just like we always do. There's going to be no real changes. You need to make sure that you have 2 annotations per paragraph, and make sure that gets done. I found a new tool that you can use if you want to access this on Teams, the digital version, instead of searching it on Google for words you don't know. So if you highlight a word and then right-click it, if you come down to synonyms, it tells you words that you can switch out for words that you might know. So you may not know what potent means, you may not know what formidable means, but we know what strong means. Okay, so use words that you know in the synonyms to help you annotate. So again, 2 per paragraph. We'll call this a paragraph. Maybe 1 in there, and then from there on out, it needs to be 2 per. All right. So just in case you forgot what that looks like, here's an example. Just like always, we circle or we box off the word, draw the arrow, and then give the small definition, the new definition. So again, 2 words that you don't know, look them up. You need to do it for all 4 sections. So the sections are War at Sea, battles along the Canadian border, the Creek War, and then finally the battle. I believe it's the Battle of New Orleans or something like that. All right, that's all you have for today. Just the last few things. This whole packet will be due on the 11th. Miss Hart is messing with my videoing, turning off the lights. So the packet is due on December 11th. We're working on this 1 or 2 pages at a time, so we'll do the annotations. Then I'll walk you through what that cause and effect and the questions look like. And then lastly, we'll do that very last note taker. And again, that's due December 11th. Missing and redo work has to be in by December 11th. Many of you are still not passing my class. We've got to get that in. I'm not going to grade it if it's after December 11th. So make sure that gets done. If you have any questions, remember you can always email, you can text, you can call, you can message me on Teams. I'm available, I'm here, and I'm ready to help out any way that I can. And in worst case scenario, if you want to Zoom or start a team meeting so that we can see face to face and I can walk you through something, I absolutely will do that. You just have to let me know. Again, my phone number, if you want to text or call, is 775-476-2627. And if you guys have questions, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great day. And go Knights.